Hello, hello guys. Sorry, I had a lot of candy tonight. Oh my gosh, sorry. Anyways, I just want to say thank you for 13 subscribers. I'm so happy that we got to reach this goal, and I'm just so glad that we're almost to 15 subscribers, and that made me so happy. So thank you so much for 13 subscribers. And hopefully we'll get to our next goal. And if we do, I'll be so happy. So thank you. Anyways, that's all. Bye.